In this video, we will show the best air fryers in India 2020 available to buy. At number 1, Philips Viva Collection HD 9220 Air Fryer with Rapid Air Technology. At number 2, Havells Prolife Digi 1230 Watt Air Fryer. At number 3, American Micronic AMI AF1-35 CLDX 3.5 liters 1500 watts imported air fryer. At number 4, Inalsa Air Fryer 2.9 L Fry Light. At number 5, SToK Air Fryer 2.6 liter 1350 watt. At number 6, Havells Prolife Plus 4 liter 1230 watt Air Fryer. At number 7, Hilton 3.5 L Air Fryer. At number 8, Brightflame AK0072 Healthy 3.2 liter Air Fryer. At number 9, Prestige PAF 4.0 2.2 liter Air Fryer. At number 10, Crutan Air Fryer. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss an update.